Are you thinking about getting a cash loan through the Tabby app? You might have come across videos online that claim you can instantly turn Tabby into cash. Before you try any of those methods, pause and watch this guide. I'll walk you through how Tabby really works, what to watch out for, and how to use it safely and correctly. First off, it's key to know that Tabby isn't a bank and doesn't provide personal cash loans. Instead, Tabby is a buy now, pay later service, or BNPL. This means it lets you shop now and pay over time in smaller installments. Some online tips suggest buying gift cards or products and then reselling them for cash. However, these actions can break Tabby's rules and might lead to your account being limited or even banned. To keep your account secure, it's best to use Tabby as it was meant to be used. So how should you use Tabby properly? Tabby's main function is to shop at partner stores that accept Tabby payments. When you check out, you can select Tabby as your payment method and split your total into manageable payments. One popular option is called Pay in 4. This lets you split your purchase into 4 equal payments without interest, as long as you pay on time. For example, if your purchase is $400, you'd pay $100 now and the rest over the next few weeks. Tabby also offers the Tabby card, which works like a Visa card. This card lets you use Tabby at many places that accept Visa, giving you more freedom to shop online or in physical stores. If you want to increase your spending limit, the best approach is to use Tabby responsibly. Make your payments on time, avoid missing any, and maintain a good payment record. Over time, Tabby may automatically raise your limit. Remember, Tabby is designed to help with shopping and flexible payments, not for direct cash loans or cash out tricks. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more easy financial advice and honest app guides. And if you've used Tabby before, share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.